Myself Nisarga CP, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Bahubali College of Engineering. In this video, I am going to present the seminar of mini project entitled Home Automation using alexapi3. Contents: Introduction, Scope, Objectives, Requirements, Methodology, Advantages, Applications, Expected result. References. In recent year, IoT has been significant investment by the research community and also the industry people, where smart home space plays an important role, and the primary focus of the device such as Amazon Echo and Google Home Assistants made the home automation a great deal. The growth of these industries also result in innovative and economic and advanced solutions. Scope. The proposed system is to control and monitor the house application through voice. For this voice recognition, Amazon Echo Dot, that is Alexa clone, is used, and the proposed system is cost effective and it is user friendly, where you can control it by voice. So we use software such as Amazon Alexa voice services and some external device such as speakers. Objective. The main objective is to design a smart home automation using voice recognition and to provide a friendly interface for smart home automation, especially for disabled and elderly people. And it is a cost effective Alexa clone is done for the project, which is used for further home automation. Requirements. Hardware requirements: Raspberry Pi 3 Model B SD card, external speaker with 3.5 mm AUX cable, relay model, LED or AC bulb, mini microphone. Software requirements: Amazon Voice Service, PubNub server, and IFTTT server. Raspberry Pi 3 Model B. This is how the board Raspberry Pi 3 Model B looks. And Model B was released in February 2006, which had 1.2 gigahertz, and it is 64 quad-core ARM Cortex-A53 processor, and it has onboard 80.11 Wi-Fi module and also Bluetooth and USB boot capabilities. Some other features are power over Ethernet and USB boot and network boot, where SD card will be no longer required. For this, as I said, CPU is 1.4 GHz quad-core A53 64-bit, and operating system will be Raspberry Pi OS. Next is relay module. This is a power relay module. It acts like a switch and it is operated by electromagnet. Here electromagnet is activated by separate low power signal from a microcontroller. In our project we will use this relay module as a switch to control bulbs or other appliances of the house. Next is mini microphone. A mini microphone is a device which translates sound vibration in the air into electronic signals. These records our voice. It acts as a recording medium. This will enable many types of audio recording device for the purpose including communication as well as music and speech recording. Amazon Voice Service. This is the Alexa voice service in the Amazon suite service built around its voice AI assistants for home and other environments. It is a software where we should log in through the page and will give some traditional where our voice can be recognized through Alexa. This can be available for many devices such as smartphone, tablets, remote controls, etc. Next is PubNub server. This is the server which makes our IoT device connect easily. The main features of PubNub server is to monitor the device's activity and securely send signals to the device used. Next is IFTTT server. IFTTT full form, it stands for if this then that, which is a free IoT web-based service that allows to send trigger from one device or thing and allow that trigger to something happen. Next is methodology. Um, Here the main methodology is the Raspberry Pi. Alexa means Alexa is built through Raspberry Pi by PubNub server, IFTT server, and Amazon Voice service. And this Raspberry Pi collects a voice instruction and performs a transmitting data to PubNub server, and then it in turn sends the information to microcontroller for computing, which initiates the required appliances, that is on or off of the appliances. For IFTT server, we have to set up that server by logging into its web page in the Google. The means user should configure the Amazon voice service by initiating the commands, and the clients um, who wish to add another sites on each load or appliances is stored in a PubNub server through coding. Then afterwards, both the values in PubNub server and IFTT server gets compared, and then respective of on and off, which is given by the speech uh, collected by Raspberry Pi, the application is done. To that, the modules of IFTT server are linked to the webhooks. This is the block diagram. So here the PubNub and IFTT are in software requirements. Raspberry Pi is connected to speaker and microphones. Through microphone, we will get the voice, and after that, the PubNub server and IFTT server um, initiates and give the on or off of the appliances through a relay module, and the appliances get on or off. Flowchart. IFTT server through webhooks and PubNub server with alexapi3 setup sends the command to the relay module for on and off of the appliances. So the main advantages of the proposed system is we can manage our own devices from one place, and it maximizes the home security. It helps for disabled and elderly people, and the proposed model is cost effective, and it is also increased energy efficiency, and it is sustainable and can be accessed from remote. It is easy connectivity and it is very adaptable. Applications are the voice activated home automation helps us to control different loads or appliances with simple our voice commands. And this kind of system is very useful for people with disability and elderly people. The further the project can be explained by adding some sensors like light sensors, smoke sensors, etc. Expected result. The designed voice-activated automation system supplies the microcontroller with a voice command that manages the system according to the provided command, and it is a cost effective and useful for elderly and disabled people. These are the references. Thank you.